8:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Chelan County and north central Washington until 9:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding will remain over the burnt scars of Collicum Darps and Malaga fires in rural areas of southeastern Chelan County. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. The affected areas are the Collicum Darps fire and Malaga burnt scars above Robinson Canyon and Darpaskin Creek. High-intensity rainfall on the burned areas may cause dangerous flash flooding and debris flows. Residents and motorists in and below the Collicum Darps burnt scar, including those that live along Darpaskin Creek and motorists on
Good thing it's not around here. Not even close.
Take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Chelan,